Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video you will be learning about a popular hosting company called Bluehost, so if you've been wanting to own a website of your choice, then this video is right video for you, as you all will be knowing about the amazing features of Bluehost. I will advise you all watch this video to the end without skipping so as to get the full details of this video. But before I get into more details, I will like you all to please like this video, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so you can all get access to all the amazing videos available in my channel. So what's Bluehost? Bluehost is a web hosting company owned by Endurance International Group. It is one of the 20 largest web hosts, collectively hosting well over 2 million domains. Bluehost offers shared hosting, WordPress hosting, VPS hosting, dedicated hosting and WooCommerce hosting, as well as professional marketing services. Their servers are powered by 7 Philippine pesos, HTTP/2, and Nginx Plus caching. Powering over 2 million websites worldwide, Bluehost is a recognized brand name in bargain web hosting. By doing a large volume of business, they're able to offer steep price discounts. In addition to offering a full range of web hosting services, Bluehost provides marketing training, SEO services, social media marketing, content creation, graphic design services, email, domain names, and local business listings to grow traffic. Bluehost caters to everyone, from beginning bloggers to large e-commerce websites, established WordPress users and more. This company provides nearly every web hosting service that you could possibly need, including advanced hosting like VPS, dedicated server, and managed WordPress hosting. The managed part means they handle the technical details, like keeping those pesky WordPress plugins updated for you, updating the core, handling security, and optimizing performance. Let's get into their affordable results. The good news is that some critical digital marketing services can be commoditized and delivered at bargain costs. That's a core part of Bluehost's strategy. These are some of their services. Websites: you can use their easy DIY site builder to create your own, or you can get their design pros to build a site for you. SEO, advertising, social media marketing, and local business visibility. Bluehost provides professional marketing services, including creating content for your site. You can get monthly consultations with a marketing professional. And they measure progress so you can see your ROI. Domains, email, and helpful tutorials, including how-tos on website management, hosting, and marketing topics. Let's talk about Bluehost hosting types. The company provides you with more than what you can normally expect from bargain-priced hosting plans. On the Bluehost website, you'll see 4 categories of WordPress hosting. You can choose from their 4 packages: Basic, Plus, Choice Plus, and Pro. All shared hosting plan includes automatic WordPress installation. Bluehost automatically installs the latest and most secure version of WordPress. Microsoft 365 available. You can boost your image and recognition with Microsoft email accounts branded with your domain name. Free domain name for 1 year. You will enjoy a free domain of your choice for 1 year with your new account. Automatic WordPress updates. Bluehost keeps your WordPress hosting plan secure by always keeping your account up to date. Secure setup of login credentials. Bluehost helps you securely change your login credentials from the WordPress default to whatever you choose. Get verified on Google My Business. Connect with customers in your area, allowing them to see your location and hours of operation on Google Maps. The Bluehost Control Panel. All shared packages come with the Bluehost Control Panel. The Bluehost Control Panel is a customized and enhanced version of the popular and easy-to-use cPanel Control Panel. The redesign of cPanel makes it even more intuitive to use. So what is the Control Panel for? The Control Panel is where you go to manage everything related to your website's hosting and accounts, including domain name management, hosting, registration, renewals, or transfers, email address, inbox configuration, and payments, billing for the services you receive. So let's go to the Bluehost Money Back Guarantee. Bluehost offers a 30-day money back guarantee. It's vital that you read all terms and conditions because this is not straightforward. When you first sign up, you'll get a promotional hosting price. But the promotional price only applies to the first term. Then it changes back to the regular pricing. If you cancel within 30 days of joining, you get a 100% refund. If, however, you decide to cancel after that, you'll only receive a pro rata rate for what's left on the term. The money-back guarantee only applies to the hosting plans. It does not cover most add-on products, including domains. That's all this video has for Bluehost. I hope you enjoyed the video and you fully understand why you should use Bluehost, which I encourage you to. So to access Bluehost, just click on the link provided in the description below and you will be directed to Bluehost official site. There you can sign up for Bluehost and get your own free domain. So thank you for watching this video, and once again, like this video, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. Watch out for my next video. Thank you.